Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 9 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week at SMS this week. It was really busy. We did have prayer at the pole. Several staff and students from Simons Middle School also participated in Unified Schools training, and we had our fall flannel fling dance. We have a really busy week upcoming here at SMS. It is Ag Safety Week or Ag Education Week in Fleming County. On Monday of this week, we do have an admin team meeting at 8. Also, we have National Custodians Day. And the theme dress-up day for this week is Camo/Hunting Day. So students can't wait to see your camo for the week. We do want to wish a happy birthday tomorrow to Miss Amanda Highfield. So happy birthday, Miss Highfield. On Tuesday, it is girls basketball versus round. It is also Farmer Day. So students dress up like your favorite farmer. Wednesday, we do have Ag Education Day here at SMS. We have several stations and activities planned for students to help educate them about all things agriculture and safety related. And it is also going to be anything but a backpack day. So students, we've done this before at SMS. It is a lot of fun. So please be creative and bring with you to school on that day anything but a backpack. Also, our JAG ceremony is going to take place during 7th period on Wednesday. On Thursday, we will have girls basketball versus East Carter. Football will be at Mason, and we do have our first etiquette class instruction. That's going to be on Thursday and Friday. We'll have our actual etiquette classes on beginning Monday, the week following fall break. On Thursday, we do have flannel day, so students, please wear your flannel. And on Friday, as always, it is Bring It Friday. We have several 9-week rewards happening on Friday. And we will have the annual tractor parade that's going to begin around 1 o'clock. And we'll have students outside so they can see that at SMS. We do want to take a moment and shout out to our student spotlight. This week we are spotlighting our cross-country team. We have several middle schoolers that participate, so we do want to shout out to Addison Highfield, Maddie Singer, Hattie Singler, Maggie McGlone, Chloe Leet, and we also want to shout out to Tyson Wells and Madison Fry. These students, I've watched them grow a little bit through their runs this year. I know they just had a big meet yesterday, and we had several of them actually place. In the meet last week, they all received medals, and these students, all of them I know pretty well. We've been together. Most of them are 8th graders here at SMS, so we've been together for a couple years, and I can say that not only do they bring it at cross country and other sports, because many of these students participate in multiple sports throughout the year, but they also bring it at school. These are a great group of kids. They keep their grades up, they work hard, and they are also model students, and they care about each other and their classmates. So congratulations, cross-country team. I can't wait to see all the amazing things that you do in the future. This week, for our Achieve 3000 leaderboard, on Monday, we want to shout out to Brianna Cooley, Tuesday, Tinley Sheekley, Wednesday, Mikey Derman, Thursday, Trevor Plank, and Friday, Ava Bowling. Our weekly top scorer was Brandon Gallagher, and our students with the most activities at 75% or above in grade 7 was Ava Bowling and Ben Weiss tied with 3, and in grade 8 was Brianna Cooley with 5. And we do have a little bit of movement with our Alex leaderboard. We're going to start to see some of these students who are at the very top here move into some different content areas. And parents, if you don't know, looking at this list right now, these students are all moving through the 7th and 8th grade math standards. So, excuse me, for example, Asia Flinders has demonstrated that she has mastered about 80% of the 7th grade math standards. So these students here on this leaderboard will really soon get to take an assessment to make sure they are ready to move on to the next level. So congratulations to our Alex leaderboard students. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Next week is fall break, Cougar, so we won't be back with a Cougar Connection until the Sunday before fall break. So let's have a great week at SMS.